How to download and use more stickers in Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to download and use more stickers in Messenger. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, open Messenger and make sure it's updated. Now open any chat where you want to use the stickers. Tap emoji icon in the text bar at bottom right corner of your screen. You can easily see the sticker icon, which is the third tab or the fourth tab at top right. Select that. And after that, you can easily tap on the sticker store at bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the sticker store where you can see all the stickers. Simply download any one of those or many of your choice. And once you have done that, you can easily come back. And when you tap on the message bar and select the sticker icon, you will get all the downloaded one, and you can easily use all those downloaded stickers and send it to the group chat. So that is how you can successfully download and use stickers in Messenger. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.